today is the most traveled Pinoy, Mr. Rinel Banda.
Hello guys, ako nga pala si Rinel Banda at nanonood kayo ng Buhay sa Cruise Ship. Thank you for inviting me here in your show.
How are you today, sir?
Very good, yeah. I'm fine.
So I have 5 simple questions for you, sir.
Okay.
Who, what, where, when, and why? Who inspires you the most?
My family inspires me the most. Yes.
What are the benefits working on a cruise ship?
Working in a cruise ship, yes, there's a lot of benefits working in a cruise ship. Of course, the first one is the free travel. So I have the opportunity to travel around the world. Food and accommodation are also free.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
that's a good thing, you know. And because before I was working here in the land, you know, working in the land base as a fitness instructor. But the problem is the transportation, you know. And by working in a cruise ship, it's better.
Where is your favorite destination?
So I almost traveled 110 countries, no? But one of my my favorite countries that I visited so far is very close in the Philippines. It's in Japan.
Japan, yes. I've also been there, sir. So it's a very nice place.
Very nice place. The culture. So that's one of the best. That's why I really love to go there.
When did you start cruising?
When I started to work in the cruise ship, 2008, I started my career in cruising industry. So I worked as a deck steward before, and then finally got a promotion as a bellman, and promoted again as a bell captain.
Why did you choose cruising as your job?
I had a dream before. I wanted to travel the world. So one of the job opportunity to get your dream is either to work as in a airline industry or in a cruise industry. So I chose to work in the cruise industry for the meantime. So and it's very easy for me to get or land a job there. So that's why I chose to work in a cruise.
Thank you, sir. So I have some questions from the students of Pats College of Aeronautics. So let's watch this.
How do you cope with different nationalities?
Actually, Nicole, napakaganda ng pagka iba-iba yung nationalities. No? Marami kang matututunan sa kanila, lalo na sa mga puti. No? Hindi sila nag-take personal. So, especially pagka sa trabaho, nakilang manager na ako, iba-ibang lahi yan. May British, may Italian. Minsan, nagtatalo pa nga kami. Pero, pagdating naman sa work na yun, pero hindi nila pinapersonal at yun ang kagandahan dito.
How do you handle homesickness?
Sa mga nagsisimula pa lang na nagbabarko, kasi ang kontrata sa barko is 8 months. So, syempre, sa mga first 2 to 3 months, yan ang kalaban ng homesickness. Pag-iisip mo, i-ready mo siya. Ako, syempre, dahil nga sa trabaho, doon sa barko, so minsan nakakalimutan mo na rin yung homesickness. Yung trabaho, tapos find yourself busy lagi.
isa rin sa solution dyan yung pagka nakatahon na yung puerto, yung barko sa puerto, so yun, may chance na pwedeng gumala.
Free time.
May free time mag-travel. So yun.
Can you bring a family member?
Yes, Nicole, makakapagdala ka ng family member mo. Depende nga lang yan sa position mo. Kung mataas na, managerial position na yung trabaho mo, so madadala mo yung family member mo.
What is the average salary?
Nasa utility, kung saan ka nagsisimula. Ang starting yan usually nasa $800 to $2,000. Mga medyo matataas na ng konti. Parang nagre-range siya ng mga $2,000 hanggang pataas.
What are the requirements?
Kailangan talaga ng seaman's book. Paano ba naman kukuha ng seaman's book? So, kailangan mo magsualas for basic training. So, abutin niya ng 8 days.
So, any advice you want to give for those who want to travel or want to work on a cruise ship?
Kahit na ano pa yung course na kunin nyo sa ngayon, basta kung meron kayong pangarap na matupad, tulad ko, nangarap ako na makapag-travel around the world. Hindi nga lang nag-kurso doon sa chance na maging piloto ako. Apply lang na apply. Tapos, do your best, especially doon sa interview. No? Be confident sa interview, initial at saka principal interview.
Gusto po ba kayo sa sir, club or any events?
Well guys, gusto ko kayong imbitahan sa YouTube channel ko. So meron akong, marami kayong matututunan doon, yung Pinoy Travel Channel at saka yung buhay sa cruise ship. So lahat ng mga experiences ko, dino-document ko, lalo na doon sa buhay sa cruise ship. Napakaganda pong episode niyan. Maraming salamat.
Thank you for your time, sir. Good luck on your journey. We hope to see you again.
Thank you, Nicole. Maraming salamat sa inyo, guys.
Thank you for watching Travel Diaries. This is Nicole Belgar. God bless. Bakit
Hindi,
po?
yun nga yung mahirap minsan sa mga single na katulad ko na nagpapanto kasi nga 8 months ako na malayo. No, minsan magkakaroon ako ng girlfriend dito tapos mawawala rin. Sakit. So yun. Kasi nga, ang hirap. Oo, syempre long distance, LDR ang relationship. So, ang hirap. So kaya kailangan, talaga nag-iipon na ako ng gusto para dito na ako sa Pilipinas. Oo. Kaya yun, nagpundar na ako ng mga investment. So, para the next time, maaga tayo makapag-retire at dito na tayo ngayon. So, yun. Humugot tuloy ako.
Ayan.